Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Oke teman-teman, di video kali ini saya membahas tutorial basket ya teman-teman ya. Oke, tanpa basa-basi, di sini saya memakai sepatu nomor 4 ya teman-teman ya. Jadi customer kita ini rambutnya udah kena colak, jadi udah saya angsur motong gitu. Tapi di sini saya memakai rambut atasnya itu pakai sepatu nomor 4 ya teman-teman ya. Mungkin bagi teman-teman sekalian, mungkin ada beberapa teman-teman yang bilang kalau model botak ini mungkin mudah gitu ya, tinggal botak aja gitu kan. Cuman bagi saya teman-teman, mungkin model botak ini agak ribet teman-teman, karena gradasinya itu harus disatukan dengan rambut atas teman-teman. Jadi bagi saya itu susah sih enggak gitu, tapi ribet gitu. Oke teman-teman, mohon maaf teman-teman. Di sini saya memakai sepatu nomor 1,5 ya teman-teman ya, dengan posisi open teman-teman. Jadi kita di sini membuat pola dulu ya teman-teman ya.
Up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Oke teman-teman, setelah itu saya di sini memakai trimmer teman-teman ya. Jadi kita buat pola dulu teman-teman dengan zero trimmer teman-teman. Jadi pola trimmer ini usahakan square ya teman-teman ya. Sama-sama tinggi kiri kanannya teman-teman. Karena kalau tidak sama tinggi itu tidak akan bagus hasilnya teman-teman ya.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place.
Oke teman-teman, langkah selanjutnya di sini saya memakai sepatu 0,5 teman-teman ya. Jadi cara membuat gradasi kali ini cara saya agak berbeda teman-teman. Jadi di sini kita memakai pola 0,5 dengan posisi close dulu. Oke, setelah itu di sini saya memakai masih 0,5 teman-teman dengan posisi half teman-teman. Jadi sedikit demi sedikit teman-teman ya, step by step. Oke, setelah itu di sini saya masih memakai garis yang sama teman-teman ya, dengan posisi open teman-teman.
The curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody?
Oke teman-teman, jadi cara saya di sini tetap sama ya teman-teman ya, dari kiri ke kanan sampai ke belakang teman-teman ya. Jadi cara saya tidak ada saya ubah-ubah teman-teman. Jadi saya nggak perlu jelasin kepada teman-teman karena caranya sama teman-teman ya, step by stepnya sama semua teman-teman. Oke teman-teman, videonya agak saya percepat dikit teman-teman ya, supaya tidak memakan waktu yang lebih banyak ya teman-teman ya.
I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth, put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid.
feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these f***ing clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. Let's go. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems.
Oke, langkah selanjutnya di sini saya memakai clipper dengan posisi open teman-teman ya. Jadi kita hilangkan garis lainnya dulu teman-teman. Jadi kalau cara saya di sini memakai dengan posisi open, setelah itu langsung saya hilangkan dengan posisi close teman-teman ya kalau saya.
I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these f***ing clowns who were all taught.
Oke, di sini dengan posisi close ya teman-teman ya. Jadi kita hilangkan garis lainnya langsung teman-teman. Jadi mungkin bagi teman-teman yang masih pemula, mungkin kalau dengan posisi close ini mungkin ada sebagian teman-teman yang belum bisa menghilangkan langsung nih teman-teman ya. Jadi bagi teman-teman yang belum bisa menghilangkan langsung garis lainnya itu, coba pakai dengan posisi half teman-teman ya, supaya lebih mudah dalam menghilangkan garis lainnya ya teman-teman ya. Jadi di video yang lain banyak ya teman-teman ya, saya memberikan tutorial cara menghilangkan lane ya teman-teman ya. Jadi di video kali ini nggak mungkin lah saya samain dengan cara yang lain gitu kan. Kalau video saya caranya itu aja mungkin teman-teman pada bosan mungkin gitu kan. Jadi kita cari cara baru supaya teman-teman lebih mudah dalam membuat gradasi atau fade ya teman-teman ya.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo,
yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff till you're...
Oke, langkah selanjutnya di sini saya memakai sepatu nomor 2 ya teman-teman ya, dengan posisi open teman-teman. Jadi di sini kita bikin pola 2,5 itu buat menyatukan rambut samping dengan rambut atasnya ya teman-teman ya. Jadi dengan sepatu nomor 2 dengan posisi open ini nggak langsung menyatu teman-teman ya. Jadi setelah itu nanti kita memakai gunting thinning scissor teman-teman supaya lebih menyatu.
The same, I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? ability. I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure.
Oke, sebelum kita memakai gunting thinning scissor, kita di sini masih memakai sepatu nomor 1 dengan posisi open teman-teman ya. Jadi kita satukan dulu rambut sampingnya ini teman-teman. Jadi bagi teman-teman yang nggak bisa menghilangkan sisa-sisa lemnya itu masih bisa dengan posisi close teman-teman ya.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out.
Oke teman-teman, ini dia langkah terakhir kita di sini memakai gunting thinning scissor ya teman-teman ya. Jadi di sini adalah langkah terakhir teman-teman, langkah detailnya. Jadi kita satukan rambut atas dengan rambut samping ya teman-teman ya. Jadi teman-teman, memakai gunting thinning scissor ini bukan asal-asal teman-teman ya. Jadi kita juga harus pakai teknik teman-teman. Kalau asal-asal ini bisa hancur rambut orang ini teman-teman, bisa colak gitu kan. Jadi ujung guntingnya itu usahakan kena di sisa-sisa lemnya itu ya teman-teman ya.
My face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Oke dah teman-teman, inilah hasil rambut samping dan rambut atasnya teman-teman ya. Sebenarnya namanya tim basket teman-teman, tetapi customer kita ini poninya nggak mau dilurusin teman-teman. Jadi tiru gaya rambut sampingnya aja lah teman-teman. Kalau masalah poni itu masalah sepele itu gitu kan. Jadi bagi teman-teman yang masih pemula, khusus pemula ya teman-teman ya, semoga video ini bermanfaat. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe ya teman-teman ya. supaya channel ini lebih berkembang dan upload video setiap harinya teman-teman ya. See you next time video. Terima kasih teman-teman. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.